Hey guys, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to share with you a wig sent from UNiceHair. So just in case you guys are interested, be sure to check my description box down below. Let's get into this wig. So here is what the packaging looks like. When you order a wig, it will come in the same exact packaging or box. And inside they do send you goodies. So first we have a wig cap. We also have a pack of lashes. And then we have the little elastic headband to lay down your lace and baby hair. And then we have a edge brush. And then on to the wig. So here is the wig. This is what it looks like straight out of the packaging. Now this is a 13x4 pre-everything lace wig, and I have it in 24 inches. And this is like a brownish highlighted wig, and it also came with the wig tape. So that's what that looks like. And here is the wig. Look at that, y'all. And this is what it looks like straight out of the packaging. Like I said, this is a pre-everything wig, so it already comes curled. And the lace is already cut. As you can see, the knots are already bleached and the hairline is already pre-plucked. And this is pretty. The hair is really soft. Alright, so right here, it does come with the lace tape already attached. And here is what the lace look like. Again, it is 13x4. And this is the inside of the cap. And then it comes with a removable elastic band, which is right here, and it is adjustable to fit your head size. You also have two adjustable straps right here, and then it gives you a comb in the back. There's no combs in the front. Here is the hairline, and I do feel like the lace is a bit light, so I will add my finishing powder to the lace. But that's what it's looking like. Look at that. Alright, y'all, I had to switch my camera because I don't know what was wrong with that camera, but I already added my finishing powder. So let's see what it looks like. And I already adjusted my elastic band. Yeah, that is much better. I'm not sure what's going on, but everything is going on. So yeah. So here is what the ear tabs look like with the tape on, and I think I am going to use the tape. I know it want me to use it because it's already falling off, but that's what it looks like. Ear to ear. As you can see, it's on pretty secure. This is really cute. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use the ear tabs. And wherever you're placing the ear tabs, make sure that the area is clean. Mine is not because it's makeup right there, but we're just going to do it anyway. And then I'm going to do the other side. So hold on. This is Eco Styler gel that I'm add to the hairline because I can't find my foam stuff. So I'm gonna dab it like that. And this is just to make the lace blending better. Like, it's not gonna hold it down, so don't think that this is gonna hold it down. But I do need it to blend in a little more. Alright, so after that's said and done, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. And then we're gonna wait like 10 minutes. Alright. while we wait, I'm going to go in and add some concealer to the pot. Because I have on a black stocking cap, you can't really see it. Hold on. Yes, yes. Y'all see it? Yes. So here are my end results. Like I said, it is a glueless. It's glueless, y'all. Glueless. Can y'all see that? Glueless. These are the original curls, which are gorgeous. I didn't put any heat to this. This is just what's happening right here. Like, do y'all see this? Only thing I did was put heat to this, and that really didn't need to happen. And I also cut a little bit of extra lace off because I felt like it was too much on my forehead. So yes, look at that.